And welcome. Yes, this is my face. Face reveal. Awesome. But other than that, really just subscribe. We're doing a unboxing of this, and yes, I have already opened it because you probably have seen the reel on my Instagram. I did an unboxing. That was the first time opening it. This is not the first time tape is cut, but I'm gonna try and act like it's the first time. Don't tell anyone. But so. Yes, face. Yeah, haircut just barely. And yes, this is my cheap microphone. Got some nice clothespin holding it up. So if audio is bad, you know why. So without if you like the video, dislike if you don't. The dislike shows me that I need to do better. And then if you dislike, please comment down below why you disliked, so I can make videos better. But subscribe, follow my Instagram, I'll put a link in bio. That's where I do reels, just updates and stuff, what's holding me back if I'm not posting in a while, just stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this recently got, it's only $100, it's not too bad, and I did it with Bing Points too, so I got it for like 70, I got like $30 off. But looks awesome. I've already used it, so yeah, but it's really awesome. So let's just go ahead and open it up. Yes, I have a little table right here, and yeah, but it's out of the frame, so right off the bat, pretty nice looking. You have the two axles, or I don't know if they're called axles, but the wheels that spin. This is your party chat, I believe, and this is your just game volume. I think it just general volume in general, like audio and game and party chat. And this is unscripted, so if I mess up a little bit, I'm just doing this right off in my brain, because yeah. But so right on the back here, you have your power button and your Bluetooth. In the instructions, I already know this, but that come with it. You hold it for 4 seconds, and it does like the Bluetooth pairing thing, and then you hold the Xbox button right there, and then they connect automatically. Comes with like the little plastic things to protect it. But when you turn it on and you're using the mic, there's a little light here to show you kind of which side your mic is on, and there's a mute right there. Yeah, mute. And then you have an extensions, so depending on your head. And what it did say is it is glasses friendly, so if you wear glasses. And yeah, that's kind of it with just the headset. One thing I do want to mention is with the box, if you ever got one of the controllers, which I did, you have a nice, they look very similar. The controller's just a little smaller. But yeah, so controller, this, same looking box, both open up the same way. This box is a little dirtier, but open up, same general type thing. Frame, yeah. Once you get to the bottom part of the headset, you get to, once you take this out, it comes with charging. So you can plug this into your Xbox, whatever Xbox, and then you get your warranty and just info, and here's your instructions. So there's really no words, but like power, turn on your console, hold for 4 seconds. I don't know if you guys can read this, I'm not sure how zoomed in the camera is. I don't have a cameraman here with me, but, so yeah. And another thing that was really big on this was in the Xbox accessories app on the Xbox, was you can have equalizer stuff. When it's connected, it automatically goes in there just like your controllers and stuff. And you can edit different volumes of certain stuff, like an equalizer, which was big on the PC, with PC controllers and stuff. I mean, PC headphones and stuff like that, is you can do equalizer stuff. But this is the first one that came on Xbox. this. I forgot you guys can't see. But you have, I don't know if Xbox thinks you can't left from right, but you have your left and you have your right, which it shows you for you. I'm just kidding, Xbox. And then a lot of padding. So, like with my cheap one that I have right now, that I paid like $20 for when my last headset broke, which I can probably grab it right here. So I still have it, but charging broke on it. And this is, I believe it's micro USB right here, and these were just Turtle Beach headphones, and they were really good. But after these broke, I went ahead and I don't have them in here with me, but I went ahead and just got another cheaper wired Turtle Beach ones, and the padding is not really good, and it hurts your head after a while when you're playing games. And one big thing that I was really excited for was the USB-C. And you may not think as much for it, but to me, I really was happy about that. Some hair on that. So it's just like that. You just fold it, and that's just a piece of paper. Really, nothing you need. On the back, it says it's on the go, and it's not just for Xbox. Like, it can pair with Windows 10, your phone, anything with Bluetooth really. But it's designed for Windows 10 and Xbox. So I paired it with my phone when I first got it because I wasn't playing at that current time. After they did the reel, but yeah. So really, one other thing is, if you've ever seen the Microsoft headphones, they look very, very similar. Like they took the design of the Microsoft and stuck it on there with a couple different things, changed. One feature they didn't add was noise canceling, like the electronic noise canceling. With it, it's just whatever doesn't reach inside from the padding and stuff, and it's pretty good at noise canceling just with it. And then if you extend it a little bit, depending on your head size, I know I need to extend it a little bit, but it's very, very comfortable. Like, fits right around your ears. Once again, glasses friendly. Yeah, so that's really just about it. I may go grab the controller and do a review. Yeah, I'll do that right now. Okay, so you've probably already seen some different controller review videos, but I'm just going to go ahead and throw in a controller in this review, general review stuff. So, one big thing with the controller that I really kind of there's some big features that kind of change. To me, the share button wasn't as big, but I know for a lot of people it was. Like, I don't screenshot enough for it to really matter, but for some people it is, and sometimes I accidentally press it and I get some just screenshots randomly. Especially when I'm pressing like start menu and stuff, sometimes I'll mess it up. But the big thing for me was the D-pad. I think it's the D-pad, right? Yeah, I think it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. But so that was the big thing with me. I went ahead and I was burning batteries really fast when I got it, so I went ahead and got a rechargeable one. And for me, it just has a little station, and it was like maybe $20. Like, I didn't spend very much on it. But once again, USB-C charging button. It's really kind of the same design. To me, it kind of was a knockoff of the Xbox One Elite controller. It's kind of what it kind of reminded me of. And really, that's kind of just about it. Though it still has the aux. Yeah, that's really just about it for the controller. And this was the one I bought. Just fits right in there. Close it. Yeah. And really, that's just about it. So, like, subscribe, follow my Instagram. Big thing. I do want you to follow my Instagram because that's where I post stuff. I don't know how to do the message board on YouTube yet, and I don't know, you may have to have 1,000 subscribers for that, I'm not sure. But correct me if you do have to have 1,000 subscribers, or if you don't, or how to do it if I'm just missing it. But follow my Instagram, that's where I do all the posts and stuff, that's where I do updates on videos, or you can just turn on notification bells, or bells, a notification bell. And really, that's just about it. I may mess around with the green screen behind me, I don't know. It may just be a green screen. But, I tried to do lighting better, and a little sunburnt, but, tell me if my lighting's bad, because I literally have maybe one lamp and some daylight through the window. So, yeah. Other than that, nothing much. So, see you guys in the next videos. Oh, and one more thing. Comment video ideas down below, because if you stayed this long, you are a loyal subscriber. And, yeah, post some video stuff. I still have to finish the series, but I need video ideas. Tell me what you guys want. I can't come up with what you guys want. So yeah, see you guys. Bye.